bitches suck me something like I'm needing lipo. And it's higher learning, gang, we keep it lit just like a light bulb. Fuck a stupid bitch, HLOD, there ain't no typo. I just fuck her, then I fuck her, now she running back to my home. And I be where planes Michael, I'm the best, girl, call me Michael. Stay sipping that syrup just like I always got a slight cold. I get money at a high note, if she coming, then I might go. That's bitches everywhere I'm looking, you can't even find hoes. Talking Benjamins in my wallet, quarter ounce in my pocket, rolling up all that ganja, got me high now, I can't stop it. And I'm riding around with a bitch who gave me brain like out of college. And then the team show up, now we got all the bitches bopping. Don't fuck with my partners or it's lights out till tomorrow. And I probably fucked your girlfriend if your lights out till tomorrow. HLOD, bitch, I'm rolling, everybody know it. And you know every day my team be burning all the potent. Bitch, surf, yeah, you know I got that surf. Mix it up with Sprite, I pour it up, and then we sip it. Yerk, 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 yerk. Okay, we hit the scene and you know us, and these niggas know that we pour up. Got a styrofoam and that's doubled up. My money straight like duffled up. I got large amounts in that duffel, bruh. Loud work, what I'm accustomed to when you a customer, so I'ma fuck with you. I got BOEs and they down to shoot. We ransack and they go for loot, and I hit the desert like a paratroop. My boys a problem, they'll handle you. Sabotage and dismantle fools. I dig it down if you don't approve it. Don't save the hoe because she's trying to choose. Game spoken from a chosen dude. We all veterans and my team approve. Man, fake niggas all see through. I see through, so don't avoid the truth. Reservation on this cloud for two, and I drop it off of my altitude. Back to business like corporate dudes. My line tight, so I blow the fuse. Hennessy, it gets chased with juice. My squad supremo like Mucha Lucha. We luchadors, and that's no fooling. No ceilings, no phonies, just drop the top.